Hi, today I want to show you this simple script where you can make a presentation in JavaScript but using Python, and let's see how it works. Here is the HTML code, and as I did in other posts, I just substitute something here with this tag. As you can see here we need to put the content of the slides of our presentation, but I used to wrap this code, HTML code and JavaScript code, into a Python code, so that I write into this the text, and each line is a slide. Then I will replace these lines here into the slide tag here that I made inside of the HTML code. And then after I replace it, I save it and I show it, and there is always a little window made with the Tkinter that will ask you to write the name of your code. So here is the window, and you just write business, something like, you press enter, and here you have your presentation that is quite simple, very also nice. You can it is just in a form on HTML page with this kind of slides here. You can make some changes if you prefer to see it, to show it in a different way, but this is the basic of these text, so very easy to do. Just put your text, your slides in each line inside of this, and then press and run the program. Write here the name of your program, press enter, and it will show up your file and your presentation. So I hope you like it, and see you next time.